क्या आपको भी इंग्लिश नहीं आती? क्या आप भी 7 से 10 दिन के अंदर में इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं? अगर सीखना चाहते हैं, भाई मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं प्रूफ दे रहा हूँ, इसी वीडियो में देख लेना, प्रूफ है, ठीक है। फिर से सब्सक्राइब करो। और मैं बहुत जल्द आप लोगों के लिए ये कोर्स ला रहा हूँ 7 to 10 डेज, 7 से 10 दिन का, जो कि टोटली फ्री होगा। सब्सक्राइब करो जल्दी से।
Dear friends, from now there is no need to translate Hindi to English. Now, from now you would understand that English is a feeling. English is not very hard. English is very easy. English is a feeling. Most of the students translate Hindi to English and then speak. That's why they didn't become to speak and write English, and that's why they didn't score enough marks in English. But from now you would understand that English is very easy. For example, now I am going to speak a story in front of all of you. The title of the story is Clever Rabbit and the Lion. Once upon a time in the jungle, the many animals were living, and the lion was the king of the jungle. But the lion was very old aged. Then in an evening, all the animals decided to set up a meeting next day. Then deer goes to invite the lion to the meeting. Then next day, lion came in the meeting, and the lion was the king of the jungle. That's why he was sitting on the upper side, and all the animals were sitting in the lower side. And all the animals said to the lion that, King, from now you don't kill animals. Now we will come to your cage. Then lion happily said, okay animals, I am agree. Then from next day this work started, and an animal a day was going to the cage of the lion, and lion was eating. But one day the turn of the rabbit came. But the rabbit was very clever. He goes to the cage of the lion very late, and on the way he thinked an idea to kill the lion and stop this hunting. Then he reached to the cage of the lion very late, and the lion asked him angrily, why are you late? Then he said, King, I want to came to your cage timely, but in the way I met another lion. Then the lion said, oh, this is not possible. I am the king of the jungle. I want to meet the another lion. Then the rabbit said, okay king, come with me, king. Then lion started going with the rabbit, and the rabbit took the lion in the front of the well. Then rabbit said, in this well there is another lion. Then lion started looking in the well. Then he looked his shadow, and he think that there is another lion. Then he rode in the well. Then his voice came to him. Then he think there is another lion roaring. Then he jumped in the well to kill the another lion, and in this way he died. Thank you.